Hi YouTube, how you doing?
Today we're diving into my 2013 Honda Fit Sport. The little hatch I scooped up in late 2024 with zero plans of turning it into what it is now. But little by little, it started to evolve. Spoon mirrors for that clean JDM touch, a JSR 4-piston big brake kit so it could actually stop the way it should because stock Honda Fit brake pedal is trash. We got some reaction coilovers to bring the whole chassis to life, and even a set of Civic Si seats to make the inside feel just as dialed as the outside. Oh, and of course, I couldn't help myself. I had to paint it white, because if it ain't white, it ain't right. Only when a Honda is in sight. You feel me? But there has always been one thing I wanted to do, one mod I kept pushing off because, well, I couldn't justify spending the money on it. Every time I thought about it, I told myself, nah, not yet. But well, today is the day. Today is the day.
Did I spend my money wisely? There's only one way to find out, my good sir. Only one way to find out. I'm carrying this huge pipe in my hands right now. And I want you to know that it's very JDM. And yes, I know, it's brown. But it is nice. This right here is an HKS Axleback for the GE8 2009 to 2013 Honda Fit. Now, as you guys can see the writing on the wall, this came from the junkyard. I paid $22 for this. Isn't that crazy? $22 for an HKS Axleback that retails for, I don't know, damn near $400 if you can even find it. And I got it for $22. Today, we're ricing out my little Auto Tragic Fit, but it's only right I give you guys a sound comparison. Now, there is videos on the internet of sound clips of the HKS exhaust on the Fit of the GE8, and
It sound weak.
Huh? Who said that? It's only right that I demonstrate what a stock Honda Fit sounds like, even though your grandma's Bible club all have Fits, but since you're here and you're watching a Zosh video presentation, you have to hear it from the boss man himself. Yeah, man. Zwiggies. How do you like them apples? How do you like them apples?
Damn wrong, man, he like them apples! Show off!
What if I were to just sell all my cars, buy my Evo, get my crib, and just live a peaceful life? Yeah, that don't sound right. Let's make this Fit sound like a ricer.
Before I install the HKS, we're gonna see if we can clean this old girl up, cause baby girl need to get a little polish action. We're gonna put some polish action on this and see what we're able to do with this right here. I don't know if you guys can see the bronze on it. You probably can. So before we install it, I'm gonna try my best to polish old girl up and see what she do. It is indeed the next day, and it's the best time. You want to know how much I love you guys? After I installed the car, I have yet to start it up. I wanted my reaction to be as pure as a baby being born. It's in the morning, time for a cold start, and then we have to head way to the gas station because we have no gas. But let's see how this cold start sound like. I shouldn't have much expectations based on what I've heard online from the HKS Axleback, but anything's better than what was on here before, right? Probably not. Probably not. It's so stupid. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's subtle. It's like a subtle noise. For the price of it, is it worth it? I'm gonna have to say no, bro. You're spending $400 just for 3 cool Japanese letters, but to not get no real, like, you can definitely hear that you have an exhaust on the car, but for the price, if I didn't pay $22 from the junkyard, it's not worth it. I wouldn't pay the money. Let's see. Oh shit, there was a police. Fuck. I would do a pull right next to the. Oh, he's not coming though. He was like, oh, that's just a fit. Thank God. Thank God people look at the fit as not menacing and it's just a little small baby car. Impressions?
You don't really hear anything. Like if I put it in neutral. Yeah. Well, then again, I do have an auto tragic, but it still should sound cooler than what it does. But no, actually, it doesn't even matter that the car is auto tragic, because you put it in sport mode, then you have paddle shifting. You have manual shifting through the paddles. So it's like when people put exhaust on automatic cars. Same thing, bro. Oh, look at the GTR. GTRs are automatic, they get exhaust. Why can't my little 1.5 liter get an exhaust? You get what I'm saying? If you're thinking about going the HKS route on your Fit, I think there's a lot of better options out there for the price point. This might sound better if I do like a resonator delete. Cut the little resonator off that's like on the mid-pipe section or whatever. But, I mean, it looks cool. The HKS does look cool. And again, $22, I'm happy. And it sounds a little more throaty, pause, but it's not worth the extra money, bro. It's not worth the crazy amounts of money you can get it for. I think the most I would pay for this would be like maybe $150, maybe $200. But at that price point, you could just probably go to Unequal Fabrication and pick up something there. And you're supporting a small business and someone who does it with the integrity and passion. So that's what I would do. But for the price that I got it for, I can't complain. I can't complain at all. But I need some freaking gas so I can do some pulls. I mean, it sounds a lot better. It does sound a lot better than stock. It does sound cool. I can't front. But for the price, though, if you had to buy this new, my little Fit, my little crotch rocket, fire! Ooh, a white GK5 Fit. That's what I need next. I need a GK5 Fit. I don't know. I don't know. All right, I got my mom finna give me a rev test so I can hear it. When you're ready, mother. Oh, that sounds good. Hold it all the way down. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Hey, it sounds good. I mean, it ain't worth the money if you had to buy it new, but it does sound good. I'll give it that. It does give it a nice, deeper tone, and I still have my resonator and my cat, but that does not sound bad at all, dude. Hey, I'm happy. I'm gonna do a flyby so you guys can see how it sounds, or hear how it sounds with a flyby, but that's pretty cool.
Uncle, stop.
final impressions, it's decent. I'm not gonna lie, it does sound a lot better without having this microphone. Like in person, it does sound better. I think when I have the internal audio on the Osmo Pocket 3, it highlights the noise, but it sounds good. But for $400, if you have the funds, I don't know, even if you have the funds, I wouldn't think I would pay that unless you find it off the Facebook Marketplace or something like that for cheaper. But I don't know, man. The most I would pay for this, like I said, is $150, $200 max. Anything over that, just get a custom exhaust made from Unequal Fabrication. This is not a sponsored ad or post or anything like that. Ethan's a good dude, man. When I had my black fit, I bought parts off him. Granted, I think something didn't work out. I think the exhaust didn't work out or whatever, but since then, fixed it, revisioned it, and his UEL header, fire. But he makes great products though. So if you guys do want to spend extra more money for some nice fit exhaustings, and he makes other fit items, Unequal Fabrication. This again is the HKS Hi-Power exhaust. I think this thing would sound a lot better if I got rid of the stock piping and added the whole HKS system in itself. I think that would make the noise be more amplified. But again, it's a auto tragic daily fit. It's not supposed to be some race car sounding beautiful Buddy Club Spec 2 K24 powered Integra. Oh, I miss my Buddy Club Spec 2. But other than that, man, yeah, it doesn't sound bad. It doesn't sound bad at all. It's pretty decent. For $22, I can't complain. I'm honestly, I can't complain. But it's nice to tinker back with the fit again. I love this car. I really do love my fit, and I want to make it go faster, sound cooler, look better. So the next thing I have planned for this car is I don't know, actually. I think I'm pretty much done. I got a little noise. I got my head unit. I got my SI seats. I'm not touching the engine. I do want to manual swap it. I think that'd be cool, but apparently online it's BITCH, so I'm not looking forward to that at all. So my best bet is to just buy a manual fit and take off everything from this fit that I would like the spoon mirrors, the exhaust, and well, catback, muffler, whatever you want to call it, and put it onto that fit. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like on the video, share with all the fit homies, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful delectables in the next one. I'm out. Peace.